CES 2026 Day 2 didn't slow down, it escalated. Humanoid robots everywhere. AI running heavy machinery. Airport robots moving planes. And a self-driving car powered by a supercomputer pushing 8,000 trillion operations per second. This wasn't a concept showcase. This was AI moving into the physical world, at scale. Day 2 of CES 2026 went all in on what the industry is now calling physical AI. Not software demos. Not cloud promises. But real machines operating in real environments. From humanoid robots and construction equipment to autonomous airport systems, smart glasses, health scanners, and AI moving directly into vehicles, this day was about systems that do, not just think. So let's break down what actually mattered. Once again, robotics completely dominated the floor, but not just one robot, or one approach. It was an entire ecosystem. Neurobotics showcased its next-generation 4NE1 humanoid, focused on refinement. Movement was tighter, balance recovery smoother, and interaction far more controlled. What mattered most? Both platforms share the same intelligence stack, skills transfer between bodies instead of starting from scratch. Fourier Intelligence took a different path. Its GR3 humanoid is designed for healthcare and rehabilitation. Movement is intentionally slow, predictable, and safe, because in hospitals, speed is a liability. And on the hand, a dexterous manipulation system built for fine motor tasks. The takeaway? This isn't experimentation anymore. It's maturity. Caterpillar brought AI into heavy industry with Cat-I, intelligence that runs directly on machines, not the cloud. Construction sites don't have reliable connectivity, so decisions happen locally using NVIDIA Jetson and Thor hardware. Machines share terrain data, safety alerts, and workflow information, forming what Caterpillar called a digital nervous system for job sites. That description fits. This is AI as infrastructure. Oshkosh applied the same idea to aviation, unveiling autonomous airport robots designed to manage aircraft turnaround operations. They guide planes, handle ground tasks, and operate in extreme weather. Testing is already underway, with rollout planned for major airports. Centogene introduced the Rover X3, a rugged inspection robot built to climb stairs and uneven terrain. Its job isn't interaction. It's mobility and data collection in environments most robots can't handle. Dream Robotics took a refreshingly mechanical approach to home robotics with CyberX, a system that physically carries a robot vacuum between floors instead of forcing it to climb stairs. Sometimes the smartest solution isn't software. Flywing showed a folding VTOL foam aircraft combining vertical takeoff with fixed wing flight. It streams FPV video using DJI's long-range system and supports head tracking for cockpit-style control. With speeds near 75 miles per hour and up to 60 minutes of flight time, it sits between drones and fixed-wing aircraft. Reno introduced the X3 Pro smart glasses, fully standalone, no phone required. They focus on short bursts of useful information rather than immersive AR. Health tech made a leap with the Withings Body Scan 2, measuring over 60 biomarkers in 90 seconds, positioned as preventative health infrastructure. Ford outlined a clear AI roadmap, starting with voice assistance and moving toward eyes-off driving by 2028. Meanwhile, Tensor showed a Level 4 autonomous robocar built around an onboard supercomputer delivering over 8,000 TOPS. Dual lidar systems, redundant perception, and lift integration signal that this isn't just a prototype, it's heading toward real deployment in 2027. CES 2026 Day 2 made one thing clear. AI isn't living in the cloud anymore. It's embedded in machines, vehicles, infrastructure, and everyday tools. This isn't hype. It's deployment. And this is only Day 2. More coverage is coming, and I'll see you in the next one.